Okay, I've got a hand sewing needle. It's threaded. The thread is doubled, and I've got a knot at the end here. We're going to start on the right side of the open area. Bring the needle up through, this is the bottom edge. The white here is going to be the bottom edge, and the polka dot is the top edge. Bring the needle through the bottom edge. And then take your first stitch on the top edge, just directly above where that thread comes out. I'm taking a stitch. It's about 1/8 of an inch wide. Let's see, excuse my sewing machine here is holding up the phone, so hopefully it's not too much in the way. All right, we're going to take the second stitch in the bottom, again directly below where the thread comes out from the previous stitch. All right. Now I take another stitch in the top, again directly above where the previous stitch came out. And below. Now, if you want to go a little bit faster, what you can do is do the top and bottom at once. So here I'm taking a stitch in the top layer, and then just as the needle comes out, I take a stitch in the bottom layer at the same time. And I go to the top again, take a stitch in the top, and just as the needle is coming out, I take the stitch in the lower edge. All right, I'm going to do that a little bit closer to the camera so you can see. Here's where the thread comes out. Needle in the top. Take a stitch, go right into the bottom, and take a stitch. All right, it's looking pretty neat. And then continue with the rest of the opening.